Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I will be doing some curry chicken egg rolls. Now we're going to start with our curry chicken. Now in here I do have some diced pieces of chicken thighs, and I'll be seasoning them and allowing it to marinate overnight. Let's get right to seasoning. So for this recipe, I'll be using some black pepper, some salt. Back here I have curry powder, poultry seasoning, smoked paprika, onion and garlic powder. I will also be using some olive oil and of course my green seasoning. So let's start to season up the chicken. So we start with garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, poultry seasoning, and of course some curry powder. And next I go in with some black pepper and the salt. Next I'm going in with some olive oil. And next I go in with my green seasoning. And next I'll just be mixing everything together. The chicken is all seasoned, as you all can see. I did go ahead and add some fresh thyme leaves to there as well. I am going to cover this up with plastic wrap, and I'm going to allow it to marinate overnight. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. So we are back, and in here I already put in some extra virgin olive oil, and then I'm going to go in with some curry powder, and we're going to lightly toast that curry. Now my most used brands for curry powder is Chief Curry Powder and Better Pack Curry Powder. And next I'm going in with some green seasoning, followed by just a little bit of water. And now we're going to start to go in with that curry chicken pieces that was seasoned. So this is how it looks. I'm just going to cover the pot and allow it to sprout its own juices, and I'll be right back. I'll start to flip them over. So I leave them in that one position for about 3 to 4 minutes, just so they can start to get some color on that side. I don't like to just start flipping them immediately after putting them in. So the same bowl that it was marinating in, I did go ahead and added some hot water. And to that hot water, I did add just a little bit more curry powder. And next I'm going in with some pieces of garlic. I did just go in with some salt and black pepper. And next I'm going in with some carrots and potatoes. Now I'm adding some fresh thyme. And here I have some onion and garlic, bell peppers, some scallion, and also some parsley. And then we go in with the carrots and the potato. And now I'm adding just a little bit more of that green seasoning. Then I'm going to cover the pot and allow our curry chicken to cook. So guys, the curry chicken is all done. And what I will do, I will allow it to cool. And then I am going to just chop some pieces of chicken just a little bit smaller. And we're going to start with our egg rolls. And now it's time to put the egg rolls together. Now I purchased these at my local Walmart. So I am starting by getting just about a spoonful of the curry chicken and potato. And I'm placing it into the middle of the wrap. Do not overcrowd it, because you still do need to have it folded. And we take from the bottom and we tuck it under. Right in the corners, you're gonna press it like this. And in here I have some water and flour. I'm going to dip, and I'm going to be using this for sealing. I dip it and I place it on the edges. And we fold it. here it is. I am going to do the rest off camera and I'll be right back. And now I'm going in with the egg rolls. I'm going in 3 at a time. Do not overcrowd your pot. I like to start turning my egg rolls within about 2 minutes of being in that oil. I like the colors to build up gradually. See that beautiful brown color? I am going to take them out, place them on paper towels. I'm going to do another batch. So guys, the curry chicken egg rolls are done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you love my content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. And also tag me if you make this recipe. Catch you guys soon. Bye.